Hey guys, it's Eileen from Bates Photography. So today I wanted to talk a little bit about a specific chicken breed, the Rhode Island Red. This is our girl here sitting in the corner, really comfortable with the other ladies. And we're just going to focus on each one of our breeds in upcoming videos. But today it's about the Rhode Island Red and why we decided to get a Rhode Island Red. Essentially, they can lay up to 300 eggs per year. So they are excellent egg layers. And in addition to that, they actually have a dual bird purpose, meaning they can be used for meat or for egg production. Now we're not we're not eating this girl, but in an emergency they are designed for that. And Rhode Island Reds, that is because they're called that because they were developed in Rhode Island. And this breed is extremely cold hardy, and they're able to, withstand really ridiculously low temperatures with ease. Now, the issue that we're having with this one, I don't know that it's a real issue yet because these are pullets and they're still babies. These girls are 17 weeks old. And there's our black Australorp that just walked right in front of her. Let me see if I can change angles here and talk to you a little bit more about kind of what we are witnessing with Ginger, our Rhode Island Red. So Ginger was really, really kind of sweet and wasn't the top of the pecking order. And within a week or two after getting her, she kind of started pecking beaks and told everyone, no. Not only am I not the bottom of the pecking order, I am the top. So she is right now kind of a forced leader. So she gets along with everyone for the most part. I'm gonna see if she'll show you guys some of this pecking of the beaks. Hi, Ginger. Hi, baby. How you doing, honey? So she's overall probably the most aggressive. And they do say that breed tends to be aggressive. So I don't know if that's just a Rhode Island Red thing or what. But it's something to note if you're thinking about getting a Rhode Island Red. She is super curious though, and she kind of goes for all the treats first and shows everyone that it's okay. There's Lovey. That's our Wyandotte. We'll talk about the Wyandotte in a future video. But she's a sweet girl. And of course, Zsa the Polish. So, because of their amazing egg production and the fact that they are disease resistant, mainly as a whole, they become an excellent breed for backyard birds. So most beginners, they recommend get a Rhode Island Red. It's just important that people know. Let's see if she's going to do that beak thing. Oh, well, I'm happy if you're being a good girl, Ginger, and leaving these other girls alone. But anyway, yes, she is recommended as far as the breed to get for beginners, and I understand why. I mean, just even how she goes for the grubs. I think I have a little short clip here I'm going to show you. She was first to get the grubs. Just a cute, curious little girl. And as far as me getting involved in chicken politics, I do get upset when I see her being a bully. But clearly these girls have it worked out. And as long as no one's getting injured, I'm okay. So Rhode Island Red, let me know if you've had one, your experience with them. I really want to know because, again, she's only 17 weeks, and it'll be an interesting journey for us to see how she behaves moving forward. That little Zsa Zsa girl, oh my goodness. Is it possible to have a favorite chicken? Because if it is, I think it's this little Zsa Zsa.